from a wedding and I'm still wearing baju kurung. So in this video, I'm gonna do a review on Yubiso makeup line. I've made a vlog. Yeah, I've made a vlog and you can check on the iCards up here or on my description bar for the link. And I'll go ahead to the review now. First thing first, it is a Yubiso Light Flawless Pure Nude CC Cream. This one is a cushion and it came with a refill. So they're only available in one shade, which is 02. I don't really like it because they didn't have much like color selection, like shades available over there. And they also have another 2 cushion, which means that they sell 3 types of cushion. But the sales girl right there, she told me that this cushion has a better coverage, and this one is 25 ringgit along with a refill because it came in a 1 box and they have a refill. So I think that it's really cheap, and I was like, oh, I should get this because it's so cheap. I wanna try it. And this is how it looks like. They have a Yubiso written on the palm, and then the sponge, the foundation here, it has a beeswax design. Reminds me of the Laneige cushion. First thing first is it is so expensive. No, it is so cheap, so affordable because it comes with a refill. They have a lot of pros and cons, but I think for me it has a lot more cons than pros. So I will talk about the pros first. Number 1, it is cheap and affordable. And then number 2, it is so minimal. I mean, the design is minimal. Like, they have this thing right here. It's really good. And then the mirror is also nice. It can cover as well. It's like from light to medium coverage. But for those who have a dark skin tone, they have to apply a thin layer on their face, and I don't think that they will get like a good coverage like that. And then it is so watery. I mean, it has a dewy finish, not a matte finish. So for those who like dewy finish, they can go for this. But this thing, I can guarantee you, this is not for oily skin type because no, it's just too dewy, and then it is not long lasting. And then the puff, when I first used this puff, it smells rubbery. This one I've already washed it, so there's no smell anymore. But when I first used this, it smells rubbery. Bau macam getah. And then this foundation, it dries really fast. I mean, like when I first opened this cushion, I was like, oh my god, it is so full. It's right up here full with foundation. But after a few times, like after a few days, I check on this cushion, and then it is not that, like, they don't have much left, like it dries. So I think that's why it is so cheap. It's like you get what you paid for. If you want me to rate this, I think I'll just rate it 5 out of 10 because it is not as cute as it seems like. Yeah, it's not that. Next thing is this Yubiso Luminous contouring palette. I got this in 02. I think this one has 2 shades, which is 01 and 02. So this one, it has a magnetic lid. I kind of like it because it helps to hold the cover, the lid, really well. I feel so. This 4 shade, it works well for contouring, but when I first used this, I feel like this is not for me. But then I don't want to give up on this contouring palette because it looks great. It is creamy, and then after I used this for the second time, I kind of like it actually. It did really well. I mean, it did great, just like the other drugstore contouring cream. Yeah. This one, I can use it to clean my brows, like the edges of my brows, and then I can also cover the dark circles on my under eyes, and then the redness around my nose, so it works really nice. And then it is creamy and it's not dry. After you contour your face, you can set it with a contouring powder. Yeah. This one is just 20 ringgit guys. 20 ringgit, murah aja. Korang boleh dapatkan di Yubiso. Next thing is this 4-color eyeshadow in number 01. This eyeshadow available in 2 shades and I got this in 01. The color is good, the pigmentation is okay, but it has a lot of fallouts. I gotta be honest with you guys, when I tried this, it works great, especially this 2 dark color, and then this one, it works for you to highlight your brow bones and the tear duct area right here, so you can use it to highlight that part. And then this one, it works as the base color for your eyelids, and I will show you the swatches. It looks really pretty. Look at that, pretty, right? It's good, especially the dark color. This too has a good pigmentation, and this one is not that shimmering. Yeah, not that shimmery, and it has shimmers, but it's more to a matte side. That's what I think about the purple one. And yeah, that's it. Oh, by the way, this one is just 20 ringgit as well. The price is just about the same as this one. About the same. And then next thing is this Yubiso 3D blusher. This one is in 02. This blusher also available in 2 shades. Looks like this. The pigmentation is really nice, and then they have a sponge. This sponge, it helps to like take the cream. I kinda like it, but if you twist too much, then there will be a lot of pigments here, because this cream blush, yeah, this cream blush is so pigmented. Look at that. If you twist too much, then you might look like a clown. I think I've made a video for it, and my face turns to be too orange. My cheek turns to be too orange. This one is just 20 ringgit. The other shade 01 is pink. Yeah, it's pink, a light pink blusher. This one is really nice because it is long lasting, and then it does not have any scent. Nah, they don't have any scent. This is the last Yubiso products that I've bought. It is a Shimmer Stick. It looks like this. It looks pink. It looks kind of pink, but it has like golden shimmer. Yeah, it has a golden shimmer, and it is really good for like how to put it in words. Yeah, like a normal highlights on your cheeks, nose, places that you need to highlight, and you don't like a heavy highlights on your face, you can use this one because this is a cream type, and I believe that it will last long. But after I try it, it's not that long wearing. Nah. You have to set it with a contour. No. You have to set this with a highlight powder. Set it on top of these highlights, then it will last long. It looks like this, and if you blend it, it will still shimmers. Oh my god, it's so nice. Oh, by the way, this is the cheapest one that I've bought from all Yubiso products, which is just 10 ringgit. And I know this is the last thing from Yubiso, but I've bought something else from Yubiso as well, and it is a lip balm. This one is not from Yubiso makeup line, it's more like other brands. This one is the temperature lip balm. I got it in Grape, and is from, what is this brand? Lanisha. I don't know, I just put it down here, the name. It looks like this. I've already used it a lot. I use this a lot on daytime because it has colors left, right? So that my lips didn't look pale or macam orang sakit. So I got this one and I kinda like it. At first I don't really like this lip balm, but after I use it a few times, I start to like it. The lip balm is just 10 ringgit and I think it is okay for the price. Affordable, you know. So if you want to get this, it's available in other color as well, not just grape. There's also strawberry, carrot, grape, and then cherry, and then what else? I don't remember, but there's a few of it, a few colors of the lip balm. So that's it. I hope you enjoy my review, and don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you have anything that you would like to ask, you can comment down on the comment section. I will try my best to answer your question. I hope you enjoyed my video. See you on my next one. Bye!